Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can apply right away that's really going to help with your online presence and get more organic leads so you don't have to rely on paid lead service programs or advertising. Nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So it is really critical that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right, here we go. Here's your website. Decent looking website. I like the click to call up top, making it super easy for your customers to reach you. That's really important. I noticed that you have a separate page for every single one of your services. This is really good. You want to make sure that every single page has their own original content focused around the service, and that each of these pages are going after their own unique keywords. You do not want to go after the same keyword on multiple pages or use duplicate content because Google will penalize you for that. All right, commercial concrete, Minneapolis and the surrounding area. So this here, this is a national keyword. You want to focus on local keywords. So Minneapolis commercial concrete. You want to focus on the local buyer intent keywords, the keywords people are actively searching in your community for your services. If you focus on national keywords and rank them to the first page of Google, you're going to have false metrics. You're going to have more people landing on your page from other places than locally, and they're going to leave, and they're not going to convert into customers. And that's the whole purpose of your website, is to attract your customers, to give you a call and convert them into customers. You need to stay focused locally. Okay. Oh, so not just Minneapolis, St. Paul, but also Western Wisconsin, Iowa, and North Dakota. So you have a huge service area. So you're going to need service area pages. You want to have a separate page for every community that you service that has any search volume for your services. That way you can actually be found in those areas for your services. Okay, so we got interlinking pages. This is good. That does help with your search engine optimization. And the gallery is good too. But you're going to want to make sure that you are optimizing your pages. See, there's no optimization here. So every single one of your images needs to be optimized and capitalized on the keywords you're wanting to rank for. Now, the page does look good, but Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It is based on content. Content is key, and you do need a lot of it. Google likes 1,000 to 1,500 words or more on your home page based around your local buyer intent keywords. If your competitors have more, you're going to need more than they have. And you need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target. But make sure that all of your pages have their own original content and it is not duplicated. Okay, your number one competitor in Minneapolis is Mike Hagee. Oops, sorry about that. Mike Hagee Concrete. They have a decent website. They are missing the boat when it comes to services. They don't have everything broken out on separate pages, but they do have a ton of separate pages in their galleries for their different services. And even though they don't have the content they should have, their images are optimized with their keywords, which is definitely helping them to rank. I don't know if you saw that, but it said Minneapolis concrete contractor. That is a local buyer intent keyword. You definitely need to have that on your page. And also keep in mind people search differently, so oftentimes you're going to have the similar keyword um, that that's almost identical, but you want to use them because you want to capitalize on all the different ways people are searching for the same service. Um, so these guys don't have much content either. So they should be fairly easy to beat content wise. They do have a decent service area, um, but they don't have the separate pages, so they're missing the boat on that as well. Um, so this is something you're definitely going to need is those service area pages. And then you want to support your website with SEO because without search engine optimization, you're just not going to be found online. So if we look here, you have a 3.9 rating out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google still doesn't really trust your website. And that's 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Not all are created equal. This is a popularity contest in Google, so the more relevant your links are, the more power they're going to give you and the more they're going to help you to rank. So you want to make sure that they're closely related to your services and that they do follow links. If we look here, you have 21 that are do follows. So because Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, you actually only have 21 good backlinks doing anything to help your website. You have been indexed for over 200 keywords, but you're only getting 22 people to your website, despite having your huge service area. So you're doing yourself a disservice by not optimizing this page, and it's going to be really, really critical if you want to be found in each of the areas that you service. If we look at your keywords, um, almost all of your keywords are national, as I mentioned before. So this traffic coming in for these national keywords are probably none of them, very few percentage at all, will actually be local. And so even though these are decent keywords, they're actually not helping you to convert into customers. If we look at your competitor, they have also a 3.4 rating with over 400 backlinks, which just proves not all backlinks are created equal. They have 29 that are do follows, so they only have 29 good backlinks helping to rank their website. So you do need to beat that 29 in quantity versus quality. They've been indexed for 193 keywords, yet they're getting over 388 people to their website. If we look at their keywords, they're using really good local keywords, and look at this volume. There's a ton of potential for you by using the right keywords and capitalizing on it. And then the last part of the puzzle is this Google My Business section, and your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section in your service areas and for your relative keywords, because 30% of people search here and don't go anywhere else. So when you're not listed in this top 3, you send your leads to your competition. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are your citations, and that's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor, and you will need more of those than your competitors. Now, if you follow each of these tips they have provided you, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for each of your services and service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.